Good morning, everybody. It is time for the new deals on Savings Star. Now remember, some of you guys get different deals than everybody else does, so I'm just showing you guys what I got. This is a great coupon. Buy two or buy three, you get one for $4.99 off, so that's a great coupon. Gliss, I'm not a big fan of the product, but if you guys do see it, it says it's for CVS, Hy-Vee, Piggly Wiggly. I can't really see where other places, but there is that. Dial, I always add that. Again, I don't know if it says Walgreens on it. It's kind of cut off. Aleve, Paradox. I just add a lot of these. Pro Enamel, Zatarans. My husband eats Zatarans. Sensodyne, Robitussin. And we got Dime Tap. Now there is also a $3 deal for Dime Tap on Ibotta, so that could be a great deal. But not much else going on. There's some other deals, but you guys should definitely check out your Savings Star and see what other deals you guys can add. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.